Now let's talk about the proc h function, which looks for the values horizontally.
Hello, I am Gabriel Venturini, a Brazilian with a degree in administration and specializing in strategic management and business innovation. With over 10 years of experience in the Office suite, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Power BI, and VBA, we are producing videos in English. Please subscribe to the channel and leave a like. And also activate YouTube notifications so it understands that the content is relevant and delivers it to more and more people. In the detailed description of this video and also in the very first pinned comment, you can easily find our complete training sessions. Now, let's get started with the content.
Here I have a table where we have the name, identification, group, and type, and here we will open the proc h function. What is the desired value that I want? The value here, because when I type a name of a person, I want it to return the group. So, here, what is our matrix table? Our matrix table is all this here, and it asks me, what is the number I want to return? The number of the line in this case. I want in line 3, because it is 1, 2, 3. I want in line 3. Do you want an approximate or exact correspondence? I want exact. So, close parentheses and enter. It returned not applied because there is nothing here. I will put Peter, for example, and return the group Red Bull. Here Anne, G4, here John, Vale, and so on.